Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. A particle travels between two plates spaced 200 millimeters apart. Its velocity-time graph has a symmetric triangular shape. The particle accelerates from rest at a constant 4 meters per second squared to a peak velocity v max, then decelerates at 4 meters per second squared back to rest. Determine v max and the total travel time t prime. Also derive and describe the st graph, given that s equals 100 millimeters when t equals t prime divided by 2. Now let us work through the solutions step by step. The velocity-time graph is a symmetric triangle. The particle starts from rest, accelerates at 4 meters per second squared up to a peak velocity, then decelerates at the same rate back to rest. By symmetry, each phase takes the same time t1, so the total travel time t prime equals 2 times t1. Because the acceleration is constant and starts from rest, the peak velocity equals 4 times t1. The total displacement equals the area of the triangle under the velocity-time graph, 1/2 times the base 2t1 times the height 4t1, which simplifies to 4t1 squared. Setting the total displacement equal to 0.2 meters gives 4t1 squared equals 0.2, so t1 squared is 0.05, and t1 is the square root of 0.05, which is approximately 0.2236 seconds. Multiplying t1 by 4 gives a maximum velocity of approximately 0.894 meters per second. Doubling t1 gives a total travel time t prime of approximately 0.447 seconds. In exact form, v max equals 2 times the square root of 5 divided by 5, and t prime equals the square root of 0.2. In phase 1, from time 0 to t1, the particle starts from rest and accelerates, giving position s equals 2t squared. At the end of phase 1, t equals t1 and s equals 0 meters or 100 millimeters. In phase 2, from t1 to 2t1, the particle decelerates. Starting from position 0.1 meters with initial speed v max and acceleration negative 4 meters per second squared, the position is s equals 0.1 plus 4t1 times the quantity t minus t1 minus 2 times the quantity t minus t1 squared. At time t equals t prime over 2, which equals t1, the phase 1 formula gives s equals 2 times 0.05, which is 0.1 meters or 100 millimeters. This confirms that the midpoint in time coincides with the midpoint in distance, consistent with the symmetric triangular velocity profile. The ST graph is an S-shaped curve made of two parabolic arcs. The first arc is concave up from 0 to 100 millimeters over the first 0.224 seconds. The second arc is concave down from 100 to 200 millimeters over the remaining time. The slope, which represents velocity, is 0 at both ends and greatest at the midpoint. The final answers are a maximum velocity of approximately 0.894 meters per second and a total travel time of approximately 0.447 seconds. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.